Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, November 15th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. So, right off the bat, our monthly high in the ES and the NQ is in the overnight or pre-market. That's number one. Number two, triple Qs right now have made a new high on the year. They've made a new high on the year in the pre-market. Now, I believe NQ's yearly high is 16,060, somewhere around there. So NQ's still a little further away than the ETF. However, right now, Qs have their yearly high the overnight high is a yearly high. Russell, after being up 5.5% yesterday, still pushing forward. We have PPI coming out in a little while. Again, that should not differ much from CPI. Okay, although producer price index used to come out before CPI, right? You figured out what it costs for them to produce it, and then the consumer would figure out what they need to pay. Why they changed it over the years, I'm not sure, and they seem to flip-flop. But anyway, that shouldn't have upset the apple cart too much. Right now, we have a poor high in the overnight. Look, a lot of people tend to fight these type of markets. We can't go higher. It's stretched out. The world's going to crap. That's not what a trader is supposed to do. A trader is supposed to figure out what the market's doing, especially a day trader on a daily basis, okay? If you realize that and focus on that and take away all those other things, you're going to be much better off mentally and saving your mental fuel for when it comes time to trade. Okay, so once again, we talk about our game plan. Right? We also said it was kind of a price void up to 45.40 in ES once they finally got those single prints, which took a while late yesterday. SPY, their next destination is 451. I know I have it somewhere. 818. Look at their overnight high so far. So again, those are very relevant points that the market searches out for. So, game plan for this morning. Again, just like I said yesterday, come 8:30, this overnight high, and maybe the overnight low will change. Who knows? But if the overnight high is around here and we open around it and you want to front run it, again, you can do that. I'd be out above it though. Unless at some point, if the overnight high is anywhere around 45.50, maybe they'll stop there a little bit. You want to take a bigger short play against that if it was to be up there prior to the opening. Again, on the downside, if we are to pull back, you can front run the overnight low, but keep in mind a couple of things. If you do that, your value is only going to be at best overlapping to higher, and if you do take it out, the market would most likely at least migrate to the 9-wide POC and possibly test the afternoon pullback. Again, early plays in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. I think the only channel room out there that I know of that has somebody on the mic, 9:15 to 4 p.m. each and every day. And then on the charts. And again, I keep telling you, I'm running a special until the end of the year for an annual subscription. I think you should come and take advantage of it. So anyway, here's the daily. The market has gone after our October low to balance, vicious bull, balance, vicious bull again. Don't fight it. Yesterday's volume, 97 million. Again, I'd like to see heavier volume come in. We'll see if that's going to be the case or not, especially next week going into a holiday week. You can certainly get that absolute grind to the upside if this market continues to do what it has been doing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.